Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear all data stored by Android system intelligence in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on now here click on more privacy settings and then click on Android system intelligence. Now to clear all data, click on clear data and from here select all time, and after selecting all time click on clear data to confirm. So when you will click on clear data option here, it will clear all the data stored by Android system intelligence. So if you want to clear the data, then click on clear data, otherwise click on cancel. So that's how you can clear all data stored by Android system intelligence in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.